Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Knowledge Express Mansi Gupta. So today in this video I will be discussing about the criticism of Constituent Assembly. तो इसकी criticisms क्या क्या हैं? तो first criticism है, first of all we will discuss this criticism on the various ground. So first one is not a representative body कि Constituent Assembly जो है हमारी representative body नहीं है. Second, it is not a sovereign body. Sovereign that is independent. So our constitution is not a sovereign body. Third one, it is very time consuming. Fourth one, Constitution Assembly was Congress dominated. Fifth one, the constitution they produced is. Sixth one is elephantic in size, and seventh one is they are not following the Gandhian principle, and the last one is it is dominated by the Congress. So these are I have just told you these are the various grounds. Now we will discuss in detail one by one. So the first one is a Constitution Assembly is not a representative body. So how you can say that it is not a representative body? As we know, as its members are not directly elected by the people of the India on the basis of the universal adult franchise. I guess everyone knows what is universal adult franchise. जब हम 18 के अबव हो जाते हैं वोट डालने के लिए, that's called the universal adult franchise. तो यहाँ पर क्या है कि जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के अंदर जो मेंबर्स हैं, they are not directly elected by people of the India. जैसे कि हम लोगों से वो डायरेक्टली इलेक्ट नहीं हो रहे हैं. तो in this case, it is not a representative body. So this is one of the criticism of our Constituent Assembly. Now, talking about the another one, it is not a sovereign body. Sovereign body as it was created by the proposal of the British government. क्योंकि हम sovereign is what? Independent. But यहाँ पे जो constitution body है, it is what created by the British government. Britishers के द्वारा create की गई है. And जब भी हमको sessions held करना होता है, whenever we want to hold the assembly sessions, we have to take the prior permission of the British government. हम खुद से नहीं कर सकते. First we have to take the permission, then only we can do it. The third one is time consuming. So how it is time consuming? It takes long time to make constitution. कैसे? देखो, हम सबको पता है कि 1947 को we got independence, right? 1947 को हमको स्वतंत्रता मिली. फिर 26 जनवरी 1949, that means 26 January 1949, our constitution is prepared. So it took 3 years to prepare the constitution. So don't you think so? It is a time-consuming process. So this is also one of a criticism of our Constituent Assembly. Now the fourth one is Constitution Assembly was Congress dominated. हम इसको Congress dominated क्यों बोल रहे हैं? Because 82% members जो हमारे Constitution Assembly में, they all are from the Congress party. So these are from the these are Congress dominated. And as we know कि उस टाइम पे क्या होता था कि कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन असेंबली जो थी, बिकॉज इट वाज कांग्रेस डोमिनेटिंग, सो बट व्हेन इट वाजंट कांग्रेस डोमिनेटिंग, इट वाज अ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन असेंबली वाज लाइक अ वन पार्टी बॉडी, एंड वी कैन से दैट एसेंशियली अ वन पार्टी कंट्री, बिकॉज अर्लियर इट वाजंट डोमिनेटेड, बट नाउ दो इट स्टार्टेड डोमिनेटिंग. सो एंड उस समय पे क्या होता था कि द असेंबली वाज द कांग्रेस एंड द कांग्रेस वाज इंडिया, क्योंकि वहां पे 82% जो भी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन असेंबली के अंदर मेंबर्स थे वो कांग्रेस के थे. तो वो यही दर्शा रहे हैं कि पूरी असेंबली कांग्रेस की और कांग्रेस हमारा भारत है. अंडरस्टूड? नाउ द अनदर पॉइंट इज द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन दे प्रोड्यूस्ड इज अन इंडियन. इन्होंने अन इंडियन एंड इट इज स्लैविश इमिटेशन ऑफ वेस्ट साइड. व्हाट इज स्लैविश इमिटेशन? स्लैविश मीन्स they have adopted from the western countries like UK, USA. तो जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन हमारा है वो अन इंडियन है, क्योंकि हमने बाहर की कंट्री से अडॉप्ट किया गया. ठीक है? एंड वॉट एवर द फंडामेंटल्स इन दिस, like fundamentals of secular democratic polity, they could not able to fabricate their fresh ideas in the Indian constitution. मतलब कि हमारा सेक्युलर डेमोक्रेटिक पॉलिटी होना चाहिए, लेकिन हम उतने अच्छी तरीके से अपने कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में नहीं दिखा पाए, दो वी हैव अडॉप्टेड फ्रॉम द वेस्टर्न कंट्रीज. And the second thing, as we know, कि constitution prepared very late because it took 3 years to prepare it. Now another one is it is elephantic in size. The constitution they produce is very elephantic in size. Why they are telling that term elephantic? Because it is very huge and it is having 295 articles and schedules. That's why they call it as elephantic in size. And we can say our constitution is very complex and complicated. बिकॉज उस टाइम के लॉयर्स जैसे कि भीमराव अंबेडकर, गांधी, ये लोग बाहर से स्टडीज करके आए थे फॉरेनर से. तो इट कैन ओनली बी, जो उसकी लैंग्वेज होती है कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन की, नॉट एवरी सिटीजन कैन अंडरस्टैंड इट, राइट? तो इट कैन ओनली बी अंडरस्टूड बाय द लॉयर. So it called as it is a very complex and complicated language. And another one is they are following they are not following the Gandhian principle. The constitution they produce is un-Gandhian. For example, panchayat system they are not following it properly. And though the Congress was, and eventually the fact is, कि though the Congress was Gandhian in its approach, वो गांधीयन प्रिंसिपल फॉलो नहीं कर रहे हैं, बट कांग्रेस जो थी वो गांधीयन की थी टुवर्ड्स द नेशनल मूवमेंट. वो गांधीयन अप्रोच को ही फॉलो कर रही थी टुवर्ड्स द नेशनल मूवमेंट. बट दे हैव अडॉप्टेड अनगांधीयन अप्रोच विद आफ्टर द पोस्ट इंडिपेंडेंस के बाद में उन्होंने अनगांधीयन अप्रोच फॉलो किया फॉर द इंडियन पॉलिटी एंड इकोनॉमी. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दिस इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द क्रिटिसिज्म ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली. नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन इज इट इज डोमिनेटेड बाय द हिंदूज. क्यों हिंदूज की तरह क्यों डोमिनेट की? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तो वी नो जितने भी मेंबर्स थे हमारी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन असेंबली में दे ऑल वर फ्रॉम द कांग्रेस पार्टी, राइट? एंड दे ऑल वर फ्रॉम द कांग्रेस पार्टी. और उसके बाद में जो मेंबर्स थे वो जो ज़्यादा 82% पीपल वर हिंदूज थे उसके अंदर. सो दिस पार्टी वॉज डोमिनेटेड बाय द हिंदूज एंड बिकॉज many of belong to the Congress and these Congress were Hindus. So it became said that it could be called as a body of the Hindus Constituent Assembly, which is represented only one major community, that is Hindu in India. This is all about the criticism of the criticism of Constituent Assembly we have discussed just now. So I'll just discuss one. I'll just give you a thorough revision of it. First of all, it's not a representative body, not a sovereign body. It is very time consuming. The constitution they produced is un-Gandhian, not is elephantic in size, and not following any Gandhian principle. And it is very un-Indian because they have taken from the Western countries like UK, USA, and it was Congress dominated. Though it was Congress dominated, so it is also dominated by the Hindus because majority party was the Hindu were from the Hindi community. So thank you so much for listening this video.